my channel. First of all, happy holidays everyone! Today's video is a Geek Edition unboxing. Here with me is my game buddy, CJ.
Hi guys!
We are very excited to receive this pre-order item from Hot Toys. We actually ordered this last August
2019, last year.
and we finally received it just this week. So we're super excited. So to start with it, this is the 6th scale exclusive Sideshow special edition Venompool, right? Venompool was introduced to us in
Marvel Contest of Champions.
our favorite mobile game, which we have been playing for almost
6 years.
Yes, and this month is their 6th year anniversary, so happy 6 MCOC! So, join us to unbox this thing because I can't wait already.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Where's your... That's why I need him in this unboxing. Because it's heavy.
Even the details on the box.
There's a texture detail on the box.
The actual design on Marvel Contest of Champions.
Yes. It's so scary. Oh. Oh. Oh, wow, the texture.
Now we can actually touch the champion we're playing in the game,
Yes.
Venompool,
You just recently got him, right? As a
Yeah.
character.
in 6 stars.
I don't have the 6 stars. Whoa.
Shall we?
Yes.
So big.
Whoa.
Smells so new.
Smells rubber. Smells venom. It's actually scary, you know. I'm scared. It looks so realistic. This collectible figure stands approximately around 36.5 centimeter tall, and the suit of course is a red and black, and it's kind of like a rubbery texture. It felt realistic. Yeah, slime like.
Slimy and rubber latex.
Yes, that's the correct description. That includes his signature weapons, which is the katana and the pistol.
And you need to change this.
Yeah, we need to change the hand. And he have a 3 pairs of interchangeable eyepieces, like this one, and also have a 2 interchangeable long tongues, which is this one and this one, so that you will have a different looks on it.
You need to change the hands to use his weapons. Yeah,
The hand is so big.
it's scary.
Yeah, I'm so scared. Seriously, I'm scared. It has a lot of different hands. This one. And these are his symbiote weapons, I think.
So for those of you who play Marvel Contest of Champions, you will recognize this
Yes.
special one.
So slimy. Ew, so scary. And of course, he have a smartphone. It's a Deadpool smartphone. And last but not the least, what makes this exclusive special edition is the additional head, which is the grinning head. We actually don't collect all of them, but whenever there's a special edition, and especially this character, we love to play with him.
Since we are fond of the game, and this is the first figure that Hot Toys released exclusive for the Marvel Contest of Champions.
So we decided to get it, and yeah, as a souvenir that we've been playing for almost 6 years with MCOC.
Even has a magazine. Here it is, guys. Venompool in live action, not in the game.
So that's all for this unboxing video with Venompool. So thank you so much for watching until the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Thank you.